Understanding the phrase, empty bellies, an English learning guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common but evocative phrase in English, empty bellies. This phrase is rich in meaning and usage, so let's dive in to understand its nuances and how you can use it in your everyday English. Empty bellies refers to a state of hunger or the condition of not having enough food. This phrase is often used to describe a feeling of hunger or to highlight issues of poverty and starvation. It's a metaphorical way to represent the physical emptiness one feels when they haven't eaten enough. The phrase is commonly used in various contexts. 1. Social and political discourse. When discussing poverty, famine, or social issues, empty bellies is a powerful term to emphasize the severity of hunger or lack of food. 2. Literature and storytelling. In stories, authors might use this phrase to describe characters who are poor or starving, adding a layer of emotional depth. 3. Everyday language. You might hear it in casual conversation, often used to express personal hunger in a somewhat dramatic or humorous way. To help you understand better, here are some example sentences. 1. The charity aims to fill the empty bellies of children in impoverished regions. 2. After a long day of work, he came home to empty bellies and knew he needed to cook dinner immediately. 3. The novel describes the empty bellies of the villagers during the drought. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Similar phrases include starving, hunger pangs, food insecurity, famished. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, empty bellies, and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, English is a language rich with metaphors and expressions, and phrases like this add color and depth to your communication. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.